Safe security solutions. Effective protection of wide-open areas is challenging for law enforcement, full of unknown and unexpected turns. Let's take a closer look at Tom, our colleague, who couldn't possibly do it alone, but thanks to the Sensor Guard's wireless tactical solution, he never really is. Leveraging advanced wireless seismic sensors with a powerful wireless HD camera, deployment of the SG Cam Kit takes minutes and requires no prior technical know-how. SG Cam Kit has a hub that receives data from the sensors. Additional cameras and kits can be easily added to form a high-security network covering large areas under a single command and control. Featuring independent sensor processing, intrusions can be detected with pinpoint accuracy. Each sensor triggers the relevant distant camera and instantly send it by MMS or email. The SG Camera Kit is used extensively by the IDF, leading militaries, government agencies, law enforcement authorities, and with a most impressive track record and numerous success stories. The SG Cam Kit is easy to maintain and operates on batteries for months, invisible and durable. It's nearly impossible to sabotage and can sustain extreme weather conditions, offering 24/7 detection of footsteps, vehicles, and unauthorized digging activities. Sensor Guard Wireless Cam Kit is tactical and strategic, helping to magnify the effective surveillance range of law enforcement authorities to complete security from the ground up. So turn the tables on intruders and put the element of surprise where it belongs, in your hands. Safe Security Solutions, the UK's leading distributor of Sensor Guard products.